Every year, millions of gardeners make the same mistake before they plant their first seed. Stick with me and I'll explain. This is the Frugal Gardener. It's a windy day in the garden, so I'm going to keep this brief. What I'm showing you here are just a few of the many catalogs that I get every year. I used to toss these in the trash, but I realized that I was actually sort of throwing away money. I start my gardening in the spring, and I encourage everybody to start their gardening in the spring. One of the biggest mistakes that people make is that they wait until the spring before they start their garden. And when you do that, you miss all the deals. If you follow my channel, you remember I showed you that I got, I think this was Dollar General, and this is, probably 30 packs of seeds. I'll probably give half of these away, but four for $1. They don't stick around long. People jump on those quick. This was back in January. So I saved a ton of money buying my seeds early. I just throw them in the fridge or in the freezer and take them out a couple of weeks before planting. But that's not all. These seed companies, they want to keep their people working all winter, so they offer a lot of discounts, and you have the best selection because when spring comes, it gets picked over, and a lot of things that are popular are no longer available. But here's the one thing that almost all these companies, and most of them, even the ones that aren't shown here, have in common, and that's this: free shipping. So if you notice, offer expires March the 12th, so around the middle of March. This is late February, so time is running out. What I do is basically purchase whatever I can't get from here. I purchase from these guys online. I don't use the mail-in system, that's pretty antiquated, but as you can see, there's several different catalogs, and I get a bunch more of these. And you look for the best shipping rate, you look for the best bargains, you look for the best selection, and you get this stuff, and you basically hold on to it until spring. Now, this company here, this one, yeah, there's a price drop here. I order from them, and I guess Burpee is the same way. They hold your order until the spring. So it's not like you're sitting on a bunch of plants and trees and shrubs that aren't going to be used until the proper time. They ask you what zone you're in. I'm in 6B, and that's how they determine when to send your plants out. So you save a ton of money, and you get a better selection. Now, I was in Sam's the other day, and these usually do not come out until March, but here they are. This is 4 of the 6, I believe I brought 6 different types. I didn't bring out the potatoes, sweet potatoes and white potatoes. There are 2 plants in each one of these. I think I paid about $15. So there's a variety here. These are berries, and these are berries, and there's grapes, and also 2 trees. So, I mean, do the math. This is extremely cheap, and all you have to do is make sure you give them some sun and some water like you would do. And I'm going to plant these probably in about a week. Some people like to plant them right away, but the point is, these guys don't last long on the shelves. People who learn that buying your seeds, buying your plants, buying your soil, buying whatever it is you're going to garden with in January and February saves you a ton of money, because the sales go away, and the shipping goes away, the free shipping goes away, or in some cases they raise it, but you have to spend more money for the shipping. So I urge you guys, like I do every year, buy your seeds now. Buy whatever it is that you're going to grow now. If you can afford to get it now, get it. Hold on to it. That's being frugal. This is the Frugal Gardener. This wind's about to carry me away, so I'm going to put an end to this video. Remember what I always tell you. When you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. I'll catch you guys on the next video real soon. Enjoy your day.